In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page in WordPress using Elementor. Follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth setup process for your new page. Begin by navigating to the WordPress site. Open your web browser and type in the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option on the top menu and click on it. This action will direct you to the site management area where you can create or manage your WordPress sites. Next, locate the button labeled Create with AI. This button is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on it to initiate the AI-assisted site creation process. After clicking, you will see a message stating that the system is laying the foundations for this indicates that the AI is preparing the necessary configurations. Once this message appears, you will need to wait for the AI to load the required elements for your site. This loading process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Ensure that your connection is stable to avoid interruptions during this setup. After the AI has completed loading, you will see a message prompting you to make a website as unique as you. At this point, you need to type in Create Landing Page in WordPress with Elementor into the designated text field. This step is crucial as it defines the purpose of your landing page. After entering the text, proceed by clicking the Enter key. Following that, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that WordPress.com can indeed create a landing page in WordPress with Elementor. You will now be prompted to choose from the options presented above. Make your selection and type it into the provided field. After this, press Enter to confirm your choice. After confirming your selection, another message will appear asking what your website should be called, specifically the site title that will be displayed in the browser tab. Enter the desired name of your site into the text field. Then click Enter to proceed. Next, you will be asked to type in a short tagline or description that should show in search results and social media previews. This description helps potential visitors understand what your site offers. After typing in your tagline, press Enter to continue. Once you have entered your tagline, you will need to click on Create My Site. This action will initiate the finalization of your website setup. Be aware that this process may take some time, particularly if your internet connection is slower. The system will inform you with a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing. You will need to wait while the site is being generated. This process can vary in duration, so it is essential to be patient. The system will notify you once the generation is complete, allowing you to access your newly created landing page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.